What's going on, guys? On this video I'm going to show you how you can speed up video on YouTube and how you can make it very slow so that you see every move of the video which have been taken, guys. So this time I'm just going to open this video. Just going to play this video so that you see. Allow me to rewind it very. So I want you to know how to slow the video, to make it very slow and to make it faster. So all you need to do is just to press on these three dots, then click here. If you want the video to be played in normal or very slow, it is very slow, just click on top of the video and then the video will be very slow, so you can see every step that it was happening. If you want to make it fast again, just click there, then the video will be very fast. If you want to make it on normal, just put it on normal, then everything will be fine, guys. That's how we speed up and slow our video on YouTube. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share to everyone, my guys. Also, don't try to comment, say something on the video so that we know what we are doing here, so that we can provide more and more quality to you guys. Thank you.